Okay, today we are talking about apple cider vinegar. I pulled the one from my fridge, which is why it looks so janky and is kind of partially used. Is this a miracle weight loss phenomena? No, it's not. But there are some health benefits to it, okay? And some negative side effects you need to be mindful of. So, first of all, what is it? Apples and yeast, fermented together, vinegar, right? Now, when something's fermented, it's gonna have probiotics, those good bacteria. That's awesome sauce. I just said awesome sauce. I never think I've ever said that before. I'm debating in this moment whether we'll cut that out. Okay, so that is a good thing, right? But in order for it to have these healthy, good bacteria, you needed to also have the, quote, mother in the product, which really, we're gonna put a picture. So as you see, mine says here, with the mother, in quotes. Kind of gross, but if you're going to go down this road, you want your apple cider vinegar to be organic and you want it to be with the mother to get the health benefits. So why has apple cider vinegar been touted as this like weight loss phenomena? There are two studies that you could arguably link to weight loss. One is that it does something called delaying gastric emptying, which basically is a really fancy way of saying some studies show it can keep you fuller for longer. So you do, guess what? Eat less. Eat less, that is associated with weight loss. Number two, it can improve insulin sensitivity. Type 1 diabetics need to be careful for that reason, but it can be beneficial for people who have type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance related health conditions. With that said, it isn't that significant. The best way to sensitize your body to insulin or manage an insulin-related health condition is to stop eating processed sugar and processed grains and to work out, exercise. Best way to sensitize your body to insulin. But there are studies that show those two benefits. So if you're reaching, right, you could say, well, it does this, it can help lower blood sugar, it can make you feel fuller for longer, and therefore we've seen fat loss. There's one study that showed over a certain amount of time, a long time, people lost 2 pounds. I mean, I dug and dug and dug. I promise you, if this was a fat-burning miracle, the bottle would be empty and I would have 10 in the fridge. Why do I have the bottle? Because there are certain health benefits, right? It's got good bacteria, it's high in vitamin C, it's antimicrobial. So you might see like a shampoo with apple cider vinegar because it can help fight dandruff, which is a fungal infection. You get a boo-boo, you can put it on topically. But to be honest, other types of vinegar will do that. I mean, it's not a miracle, but it is relatively healthy if you use it to cook with, right? 1 or 2 tablespoons diluted or maybe over salad dressing with a meal. Here's where things get dangerous. And I haven't looked at this once, but this is my cheat sheet. You might wonder, why does she have this? So this is my little list of the things that go wrong with this. Number 1, it can lower your potassium levels. Not great. It's extremely acidic. So it's hard on tooth enamel. It can burn your throat, your esophagus. It can cause stomach problems. As I said, dilute it. Dilute it a lot, like 1 to 2 tablespoons tops if you want to get crazy about this. Dilute it in a huge glass of water, but cook with it. That's the best way to go about it. Don't go overboard. People that have gone overboard, they had one woman that had bone density issues linked to her going crazy with apple cider vinegar supplementation. So use it like you would any kind of vinegar, right? Use it to cook with, put it on your salad. If you're gonna take it as a supplement, you really, really don't need to, but dilute the hell out of it. And no, it won't burn fat. We're gonna have to go to the gym for that, people. All right, guys, for fitness instruction, nutrition advice, all things health and wellness, like, subscribe, click, comment,